That right there is Scotland. Yes, Scottish Isles. And to the other side, around that area is Northern Ireland, the very north tips. As you can see, we're practically in the Irish Sea and very close being home. And it's just wonderful. Yeah, the weather is a bit colder now, but it's very calm and peaceful.
Do you recall that at night, sitting in a dog, you and I, just make sure you take everything right. 'Cause I we'll be moving.
Hey, I'm actually in Liverpool today, and this wonderful city is one of the UK's best cruising ports. It has a lot to do, and the port is right along the town, so you can basically just walk off and you're already in the city. What my plan for today is go down to Albert Dock, see a few things, and then go towards Chinatown. If you want to see more of the town centre and shopping regions, etc., watch my last year's video talking about the CMV Magellan in Liverpool. It's pretty much the same port, the same time schedule, but it was raining then, and today the weather is lovely. The Pierhead Village Festival in Liverpool is in full swing. It's a bit too early for it to be open, but yeah, it's right along the Albert Dock. There's quite a bit of stalls, quite a bit of huts, and a lot of activities are going to be just booming. I should also add that we are here on the 21st or 22nd, I'm not sure, of July. So yeah, it's around this time, 2018. As I've previously said, these three buildings right behind me, they're really old ones. They're kind of a bit beige, as well as the Beatles statue itself, are some of the most photographed places in all the world, which is incredible if you think about it. It's in Liverpool in the UK, and yeah, it's one of the most photographed places in the world.
We'll be moving.
So Albert Dock is famous for many different reasons. They have really good shops, nice cafes, lovely restaurants, and great bars, which kind of enable really nice nightlife. I though personally really think it's just aesthetic and it kind of has a nice old age Liverpool vibe, old age city, old age Britain. It's really nice, the buildings are lovely, and they have a lot of exhibits such as red buses and stuff like that to just remind you how British it is. It's a brilliant place. And I definitely recommend it if you ever come to Liverpool. Right on the other side of Albert Dock, you have the main town, with a really nice shopping district right around there, near that big spire thingy. But we're personally going down towards the cathedral for now. As I mentioned, if you walk a bit more south along the port, along the pier, along the quay, then go more inland, so that would be your east direction, you'll actually reach the cathedral. And this building is not super populated by tourists, but it's meant to be phenomenal, and right beside it is Chinatown, and we really want to see that ourselves. Yes, it is true, we have made it to Chinatown. To be completely honest, the buildings are just designed in a more Chinese way. There's a few Chinese shops, restaurants, etc. But apart from that, it just feels like a normal district in a city. It's nice though, it's a bit different. But having said that, one good thing did come out of it. I got some authentic Japanese chopsticks, which I'm super happy about, and I'm definitely going to learn how to use them properly.
What is it? How far are you? My belly. 9 months.
After about 1 hour of aimless walking, looking at street acts and listening to street musicians, we end up in Liverpool one shopping centre. This whole shopping area is called Liverpool 1. I believe it's fairly newly established, and it has a lot of really nice shops. You can spend probably a whole day here just wandering around doing different activities, going to shops and just listening to musicians and acts. It's wonderful.
see it now.
Oh gosh.
I can feel it now.
It's roughly 4 p.m. and the fair at the Alfred Dock is in full action. I'll walk around and show you a bit of it right now, but it's brilliant. I'm loving it.
We should stay now.
Boys, this is good Polish food. We have Beatles, we have pierogi, we have lemonade, we have other random stuff. Yes. And now we are about to go back to the ship. It's around 4 p.m. GMT, Greenwich Medium Time, and yeah, those people on the ship are actually my parents, so they're waiting for us. Probably already dined, and yeah, we're going to the gym now and go to the afternoon show after that. We now depart Liverpool Bay.